Hey everyone! If you're tired of spending hours hand-washing baby bottles, then this video is exactly what you need. As a busy parent, you deserve a smarter, faster, and more hygienic solution. And that's why today we're diving into the top 5 best bottle washers that can completely transform your daily routine. In this video, you'll discover which bottle washer delivers the most powerful cleaning, which one is safest for your baby essentials, and most importantly, which one is truly worth your money. So before you make your next purchase, make sure to watch till the end, because the number 1 pick might just surprise you. Let's get started. Product links in the description box.
Number 5. Baby Brezza Baby Bottle Washer Pro. The Baby Brezza Baby Bottle Washer Pro is a game-changing solution for busy parents who want a faster, safer, and more effective way to clean baby essentials. Say goodbye to your bottle brush and drying rack and say hello to the first appliance that automatically washes, sterilizes, and dries bottles and accessories at the push of a button. Designed with convenience in mind, this all-in-one machine uses 20 high-pressure spray jets to powerfully remove milk residue from bottles, pump parts, sippy cups, and accessories, cleaning thoroughly inside and out. Unlike other washers, the Bottle Washer Pro features 3 rinse cycles to ensure every trace of soap is removed, giving parents extra peace of mind. It then uses natural steam to kill 99.9% of germs, followed by HEPA-filtered hot air drying for completely clean and germ-free results. With the capacity to hold up to 4 bottles and accessories from most brands, including plastic, silicone, and glass, it's a versatile addition to any home. This innovative appliance offers 6 functions and is clinically proven to clean significantly better than traditional bottle brushes and even other washer brands. Its removable clean and dirty water tanks eliminate the need for a sink hookup, allowing flexible placement anywhere in your home, from the kitchen to the nursery. Eco-friendly and efficient, it uses 85% less water than hand washing. For added convenience, it works seamlessly with Baby Brezza detergent tablets, 60 included, and is compatible with a separate breast pump rack for cleaning all pump parts. Backed by a 1-year limited warranty, it's a must-have for modern parenting. Number 4. Papablic Bottle Washer Pro. The Papablic Bottle Washer Pro is a powerful all-in-one solution designed to simplify your daily baby care routine. Built for modern parents, this 4-in-1 appliance can wash, sterilize, dry, and store baby essentials, fulfilling your needs to keep everything clean while saving valuable time. No more struggling to keep up with endless bottle washing. Engineered for a deep and reliable clean, this baby bottle washer features 26 high-pressure jets operating at 25,000 pascals, delivering a thorough wash at 162 degrees Fahrenheit. It reaches every corner, even the hardest to clean areas, ensuring complete hygiene and peace of mind. To enhance performance, it includes 60 deep clean detergent tablets that effectively remove milk residue, so no stains are left behind and every bottle is safe for your baby. The dual rack system offers a large capacity and flexible design, making it compatible with all bottle sizes, wearable breast pump parts, silicone toys, and more. Despite its spacious interior, the unit remains compact and fits easily into any kitchen without requiring installation. Its intuitive control panel makes operations simple and hassle-free. For busy schedules, the Papablic Bottle Washer Pro features a 19-minute quick clean cycle, perfect for urgent feeding times, while the 29-minute powerful clean tackles stubborn, overnight milk buildup with ease. With 9 customizable modes, you can tailor each cleaning cycle to suit your specific needs. Combining convenience, performance, and versatility, the Papablic Bottle Washer Pro is an essential appliance for keeping your baby's feeding items hygienic, organized, and ready whenever you need them. Number 3. Momcozy Clean Pal Pro Baby Bottle Washer. The Momcozy Clean Pal Pro Baby Bottle Washer, sterilizer and dryer is the ultimate time-saving and cleaning solution for busy parents who want safe, effortless care for their baby's essentials. This all-in-one appliance automatically washes, sterilizes, and dries baby bottles, pump parts, and tableware, giving you more time to focus on what truly matters: your family. Designed for powerful performance, it features 26 spray jets that deliver a thorough and precise clean. With 12 directional jets targeting the interior of bottles and 10 swirling jets washing the exterior, no single stained spot is missed. Whether it's milk residue or hidden buildup, every corner is cleaned to perfection. It's also wearable pump part safe, allowing you to clean delicate accessories without worry. The CleanPal Pro uses effective steam sterilizing to eliminate harmful germs, ensuring a hygienic feeding environment for your baby. After cleaning, bottles remain dry, sterile, and odorless, thanks to its advanced drying system and medical-grade H13 HEPA filter that removes 99.9% of airborne particles. It can even store items safely for up to 72 hours. With a dual-layer design, it holds up to 4 bottles along with other baby essentials, making it both compact and efficient. Choose from customizable modes like rapid wash, normal wash, sterilize plus dry, and storage.
Need a quick clean?
The 19-minute wash cycle has you covered. Backed by a 1-year warranty, it includes 60 baby-safe detergent tablets designed for low suds and easy rinsing, ensuring a secure and guaranteed cleaning experience every time.
Number 2.
NCVI Large Baby Bottle Washer. The NCVI Large Baby Bottle Washer, Sterilizer and Dryer is a powerful all-in-one solution designed to simplify feeding routines for busy parents. Featuring an industry-leading 6-bottle capacity, this machine easily holds up to 6 standard bottles along with pump parts, pacifiers, and accessories in a single load. Its spacious dual-layer design is compatible with popular brands like Dr. Brown's, Komatomo, and Spectra, making it perfect for handling multiple feedings throughout the day or preparing bottles overnight. Built with hospital-grade power cleaning, it combines heated wash cycles, 140 degrees Fahrenheit, with 39 high-pressure spray jets to remove milk residue and stubborn stains effectively. The strong wash mode delivers deep cleaning, while the fast mode ensures quick, everyday convenience. With 360 degrees coverage, every item is thoroughly cleaned inside and out. This unit is a true time saver, offering 7 automatic programs including fast 19-minute and strong 49-minute cycles. It washes, sterilizes, dries, and stores items in one seamless process, saving parents up to 2 to 3 hours daily. For added peace of mind, steam sterilization at 212 degrees Fahrenheit eliminates 99.99% of harmful bacteria, while the built-in dryer and HEPA filter ensure a clean, dry, and sterile environment for up to 72 hours. Complete with essential accessories and a 1-year warranty, it's a reliable must-have for modern parenting.
Number 1.
Upgraded Bottle Washer Pro. The Upgraded Bottle Washer Pro is a smart, all-in-one solution designed to make baby care easier and more efficient for modern families. This 4-in-1 automatic machine combines washing, steam sterilizing, drying, and storage in one compact unit, eliminating the need for tedious hand washing. With its convenient size, 16.54 by 15.5 by 10.24 inches, it fits neatly into most kitchens while giving busy parents more time to focus on what matters most. Featuring a double-layer large capacity, it can clean up to 6 bottles along with accessories like pacifiers, pump parts, straw cups, and baby utensils in a single cycle. The powerful 360 degrees deep cleaning system uses 34 spray jets, including 18 directional and 16 swirling jets, to remove stubborn milk residue thoroughly. It also includes 60 detergent tablets for spotless, odor-free results. With 9 customizable cleaning modes, including a quick 20-minute fast wash, it adapts to your daily needs. Safe, low-noise operation ensures minimal disturbance, while high-temperature sterilization and 72-hour sterile storage keep items ready to use. It's a practical and thoughtful gift for Mother's Day or any special occasion. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helped you choose the perfect bottle washer for your needs. Every product we covered today is designed to save your time, improve hygiene, and make your parenting journey a little easier. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with other parents, and subscribe to our channel for more honest reviews and top product breakdowns just like this. Also, let us know in the comments which bottle washer you like the most, or if you're already using one. We'd love to hear your experience. Until next time, take care and stay safe. See you in the next video.